We're gonna put it to a vote. We'll give you our answer over breakfast.
Yeah!
Bring me back something rare.
What?
Anything, long as it's blood rare.
Why should we do something nice? Let's quit now, that's my advice.
We can't do anything by working with each other.
I ain't gonna work for free. Tell me what's in this for me.
Wait, what?
I ain't gonna work for free. Tell me what's in this for me.
We can't do anything by working with each other.
Come on, kids, take a shot. Show them what we really got.
Wait, what?
Come on, kids, take a shot. Show them what we really got.
We can't do anything by working with each other. La 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 la. Can't stop now. We got a job to do, and we are me and you. We can't do anything by working with each other.
Help a friend out of a mess. Put your friendship to the test.
We can't do anything by working with each other. La 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 la. Can't stop now. We got a job to do, and we are me and you.
So come on, guys, though it ain't smart, we'll borrow tools to do our part.
We can't do anything by working with each other.
Hey, step up. Hey.
We can't do anything by working with each other.
Work it out and do your best. Don't give up on your success.
We can't do anything by working with
Concentrate on what you do. Buckle down, it's up to you.
We can't